has something to do with the past. You know, that old things just seem so much more genuine. And I mean, to us, that stuff was actually never new. Simply because we weren't born. Those blurry photographs of faraway lands. The men of old didn't travel there. They explored the genuinely unknown. Nowadays, the globe is filled. The roads have been built, it's just the world that we live in. To me, that means to lose some sensibility and pack some bravery. Take an honest machine and get going. At last, the world is only a road trip away.